How to add a date picker like this in Google Sheets. Select the range where you want to enter dates, and then go to Data, Data Validation. In the panel on the right, click on Add Rule, and for the criteria, select Is Valid Date. Next, change this to Reject the Input, and finally, click on Done. You can close the panel on the right, and now you can double-click on any cell in the date range to activate the date picker. Entering dates has never been easier. How to add a date picker like this in Excel. Go to Insert and then Get Add-ins. Then type Date Picker into the search box, and you should then see this option right here that says Mini Calendar and Date Picker. So click on Add and then Continue. Now you can move the date picker where you want it, then select the cell where you want to add a date, and then select the date in the calendar. And then you can repeat this process as many times as you need to enter dates for all of your data.